Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick, and I am back with another video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are being safe. Hope you guys are finishing up those projects. Today we are back with the 135. We're gonna get the charge pipe installed today. So we actually already had an ER intercooler installed on this car before I bought it. We've got the intercooler, we've got the downpipes. Now we need the charge pipe. I'm planning on getting the intakes done soon as well. I've got all those parts coming in. Yeah, guys, today we're gonna get the charge pipe installed. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. We'll possibly get a tune going at the end of this video. We'll have to see about that. Yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so this is the charge pipe we've got here. This one's from VRSF. It's still keeping the diverter hoses here. Yeah, we've got those covered, and then obviously the sensor we're gonna plug in, and then the coupler, it's got VRSF on there. I actually ended up picking up this one used for like 80 bucks here locally, so definitely save some money. N54s are so common, so if you guys are looking for any parts for your cars, I'd definitely recommend looking at somewhere on like Craigslist, OfferUp, eBay, yeah, Facebook Marketplace. We've got the two clamps here. I actually bought this O-ring from BMW. I think it was like 10 bucks, but I just bought a new one. You can reuse your old one. I just prefer to keep a new one because it's the way to go.
That's good.
So. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by using a 6mm and unscrewing this bolt right here, this clamp that's connected to the intake. Oh, got some boost in there. Yeah, just another 6mm back here.
Yeah, this opened up literally everything in here. So
yeah,
now you guys can see everything.
So this is pretty much our stock charge pipe here. These are the diverter lines. So we pretty much got to take off the C-clamp right here. Take off this clamp, disconnect the sensor. Yeah, we're just gonna disconnect these two, and also unscrew this piece right here. This 8mm right here. Quite an easy job, yeah. So these two diverter hoses, you simply just twist this clamp it's got on here. I don't know if it's exactly a clamp, but it's like a twisty. Then you just pull real hard until that comes out just like that. So.
Perfect.
Okay, there you go.
Sweet.
Cool. We got all that out. Simple pry up here. That was
so easy.
That was way too smooth. It looks like it's actually got a little bit of like grease on it or something. Cool, made it easier for us.
There we go.
Pull out the tool set.
Big boy tool set over here.
Bro, this is a must-have for BMWs.
Honestly.
Bro, they're actually like hand tightened for some reason. Also looks like it fits for this one, but not for the other one.
Oh, nice.
One might be a 15, one might be a 20.
Yes.
Just gently.
Finesse it off.
Yeah, gently pry it off here. Cool.
Wow.
All right.
Simple as that.
Yeah, that was quite a simple
there we go,
removal.
So easy.
This thing is weak for sure, man. I mean,
Dude,
look at this.
Look at that, bro. That's so bad.
Yeah, this is actually bad.
You're gonna get boost leaks for days with this thing.
Yeah, make sure to not tune your car without upgrading these things. Yeah, without having this. I mean, bro, I've blown my charge pipe like 3 times.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
and I've seen like Nor on his 135. He put a stage 1 tune, right? And he blew it like right away.
Like right away.
Yeah, let's get this new one installed, man. This looks good. I'm looking at something like this. Yeah.
See how it goes on?
Something like this, and then possibly something like this. Yeah, that should be it right here.
That should be good.
But you gotta set up those clamps, bro, to make it easier. Make it easier for your mechanic, make it easier for yourself.
Yep.
That should be perfect right here.
It's perfect just like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
You can get that O-ring in there. There's like a little cutout, as you could tell. I just pulled that out, but I'll just toss this back in here. Cool. Let me get this hose on first, this side. Make sure we're good here. We've got some decent space going, so. Cool. We're just gonna throw up that C-clamp. You guys want to make sure that these tips are going the opposite direction of the throttle body. So I think that's sitting. We just gotta push it in all the way. There you go.
Perfect.
It just clips right in.
And then definitely make sure that it's actually on, guys. So you want to push it down, and if it comes off, then it's not on. And it stays stays there, that means it's on.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna have a little bit of play, but that's kind of normal. Then we just gotta tighten down the clamps.
So we're just gonna grab the magical 10 here and install these real quick here. That should be fine for now. We're definitely gonna test it and see if it blows off or not. I know this one's like sort of plastic, and you don't really want to tighten this one too much. So, yeah. Before we install these hoses here, we're actually gonna get to installing the sensor. We don't want to forget about that.
Yeah, definitely.
The most important part. So it's got a little washer here. It's hard to get into the right spot here. You guys, of course, want to be sensitive when tightening these bolts as well, because they are pretty small. You can over tighten those, easily strip them. So I already had these couplers pre-installed along with the clamps, but that is pretty much how you have to have them installed, and then you just throw this bad boy in here. We're gonna set these up like this, just so as soon as we take the intake box off, have them set right there. Now we're gonna grab our 8mm here, and that should squeeze right in, right? Okay, there you go. We pretty much just need to throw the intake box back on. We're good to go.
Yes, sir.
I'm excited.
Finally pushing power.
Yeah.
Actually
right?
able to tune it.
Seriously. Just pull out this. Just put that in there.
And there we go.
Whew, that's smooth.
It's done.
All right, last step. All right, guys, so we're pretty much done. It took us about 30 minutes, honestly.
30 minutes to
realistically,
an hour.
Yeah. It's not that tough of an install. It's definitely a lot easier to do it yourself than pay somebody like 100 or 150 bucks. Yeah, we're gonna go give it some gas right now and see how this works. So
here we go.
let's get you guys some engine clips. I feel like that sounds a lot nicer.
Yeah, it sounds good. Exhaust clips too, dude. That sounds good.
Whew. Bro,
That sounds good, man. There we go.
It actually feels so good.
Right?
I definitely feel like, I don't know, maybe there's just like a mindset type of thing, but I definitely feel like it boosts a lot more solid now.
Like a placebo type of thing.
Yeah. We're actually gonna throw on a quick MHD Stage 1 Plus tune on this. Currently has a Stage 0 tune. I did that to delete the catless downpipe code. Tune it to Stage 1 right now, Stage 1 Plus, and we're gonna go and give it some gas. See how it runs. This is the #1 rule for tuning the battery charger. You don't wanna burn your DME, bro.
Honestly.
Your ECU. We're gonna start up the ignition here. So I did go with MHD, LBD2 port, but it's through Bluetooth basically. I know a lot of people go with the wire. MHD actually has a PDF file where you can go and look at every option, and it'll tell you how exactly to do this. You guys want to be really careful when tuning your car, because it is very easy to burn your ECU, bro. It's very easy to burn your ECU.
Bro,
so
that's the worst thing you could ever do to your car.
Yes, you're gonna be done. I mean, flash that MHD map. But these are the latest ones we've got. So we're gonna go with a Stage 1 Plus, connected, communicating with DME. It's not gonna take too long, just because it already has the MHD on there. You're starting DME. Successful. Turn ignition off and wait 30 seconds. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. Cool.
All right,
we're good to go. All right.
Feels good so far.
Yeah, it's good so far.
No check engine.
No check engine light.
Nice.
Yep. See how this feels, man. Whew. I think we got everything okay.
Does it feel quicker?
Yeah, it feels
right.
I right away feel the boost. Like you can feel it right away at like 2,000 RPMs. You know, when it's stock, you feel it at like
you don't feel it at all.
3K. No, yeah. Or you don't feel like. That's a good way to say it, bro. You don't feel it at all, honestly.
Yo, that's a Stage 1?
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy.
That Stage 1 is nice. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That's a huge difference. Wow. I'm gonna try off this. Turn off that ECT. DC. Yeah, let's go for it.
This feels solid, dude.
Yeah, that's some solid boost right there.
Bro, and the coilovers, like, dude, this thing feels...
Yeah, this car feels...
planted.
Yeah, it feels very planted, actually.
Literally perfect.
Let's go. Man, that boost is there. Tuning this car definitely opens the throttle up a lot.
For sure.
Throttle responses.
Like, it's almost necessary to run a tune, especially on these N54s, because yeah, they do feel really sluggish in stock form.
Yeah, definitely.
Especially acceleration wise. Like the power, like the speed is there, but the acceleration takes forever.
Yeah. There's
You know
like,
what I mean?
it's like not enough torque. Which,
Yeah.
I mean, technically brings it down to not enough boost.
Yeah.
Then that's pretty much all the tune does for you. Is just, that's a nice M2
That's
right
a nice
there.
M2 right there, yeah, for real. I can smell, that's the N54 smell, I swear.
Is it really?
I swear, every single N54, it smells like
funny.
this, dude. Literally every single one I've been in smells like this.
Yeah, she's going good. I think we definitely got to go stage 2 though, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, man.
I am planning to get index 12 injectors and a probably stage 2 fuel pump. We'll run like 830 mix.
Oh, you're gonna be smoking people out
go
here.
grab some 2020 Mustang GTs and
Yo,
Camaros.
that'll be sick, dude. I can't wait to see that. Subscribe down below for that content, guys.
Pretty much just callus downpipes. We've got the secondary cats, we've got the resonators and muffler. It's pretty stock and just a verbal tune, so. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that'll pretty much conclude this video. CHARGEPIPE came out great. It took us about 30 minutes to install it. We also got a stage 1 plus tune on here. The car is very sluggish, as we talked about. This definitely opens it up a little more. A CHARGEPIPE is something you really want to upgrade before you go into tuning, because they're very weak from stock and they blow off so many times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Am I right or am I right?
Yeah, like that, bro.
You want me to do that, bro? I
Yeah.
look retarded.
It's all good.
Can you imagine? You were like, bro, what is this guy doing?
Oh my God.